Telegram bot is one of the most powerful things you can build with N8n. And today we are building a complete Telegram bot from absolute scratch. It will receive messages, process them AI, and reply them automatically. No developer needed. Just N8n. Let's go. So first we add a Telegram trigger. Okay, that take a data from Telegram. So we search for trigger on message. This one. So we have to connect the Telegram. We want access token. So we go to Telegram, search for BotFather, start this chat. Here we are going to make a new bot. So we put this slash new bot. Alright, how are you going to call it? I'm going to tell it Telegram demo bot. Okay, good. Now let's choose a username of. I'm going to choose a bot. Okay. Okay, here's our access token. We just copy this and paste it here. That's how we just get the Telegram tokens. Okay, now this is correct. After this, we add a if node. I'm going to tell you why we are putting this. Here, when we start a chat with Telegram bot, always start with this start sign. As you can see, we start with this bot, this start with /start. So when this message comes, a built-in message comes. Let's execute this previous node. Let's go to our bot. Where's our bot? Here's our bot. As you can see, I write start. We get the data, this one. Okay, what was our message? This text. Now here we send a Telegram message. So we search first Telegram. Send message, text message, this one. We are putting this chat ID. It asking for chat ID to connect this. So from here we get this one ID. We put here, and here we put a built-in template message. So we get this message from here. I just write it. So don't waste time. Just copy this. Write it here. Okay. Now this is when someone start our chat with chatbot. Now let's make if someone start conversation. Now we add a AI agent with it. Okay. Here we define below. Here we write a prompt that chat from chat, this one. This is our prompt, and we also give a system message that tell AI agent that what is your role and what are you built for. I write it small, but you can write it more in detailed way when you are working with real project or any real work. Okay, so now it want a chat model. So I am going to get a Gemini model because that is free. I'm going to make it by my own. So set a credentials. How to get this thing? So how to get Gemini API key? First we search here Google AI Studio. We go to in this Google AI Studio. This is the direct API section. When you enter the dashboard, you will see this interface. Here you can see a key section. Just click this, create a new project or create a new API key. Just import, don't need to import any folder, just default project. create new API key. As you can see, our API key is generated. Now copy this, come to this, paste it here. Now just save it. That's how we get the Gemini API key. Okay, now here as you can see the memory section. I'm giving it simple memory. It put past 5 messages, chat message. Okay, after that, here I'm going to put this same, paste it here. ID should be same. Now here, what the text should be? Text should come from the AI agent. So let's execute our workflow. So let's execute this. If I write this again /start, let's see what we get. As you can see, we get welcome, I'm your AI powered, send me a message. This one, built-in message. Now let's execute again. Hi. What happened? Oh, we didn't give a text here. Just remove this thing right now. Let's first work because the memory doesn't have, that's why it didn't work. So let's execute again. Hi. As you can see, we get none message because we didn't give anything here. So here should be our output come. Okay. Now just execute this. Now we'll get a reply of it. Hi. As you can see, how can I help you? Now let's give him my name. Right now I'm executing it manually. Let's make it public so I just don't need to execute again and again. So here's our chat. Hi, my name is Vishal. Could you tell me my name? See, it doesn't have our name, past memory. That's why here we put this simple memory. So it can at least keep past 5 message. So after opening simple memory, we just do this define below and this one, drag and drop this one ID. So it keep the old message automatically. Not from this one, we'll drag and drop from this trigger node. So this one, drag and drop here. And here 5 means it will keep the previous 5 messages. Now let's public it. Let's public it. Okay. Now let's say hi, my name is Vishal. It's nice to meet you. What is my name? Your name is Vishala. How can I help? As you can see, now there's one more problem. We don't have any data that where this data is storing and who is sending the message, what the bot is replying, is bot is replying any illegal message. So that's why to track that we add a data to this. For that I made a Google Sheet. Now we just add a Google Sheet here. So we search for Google Sheet node. We'll append rows. Everything is connected. Search Telegram bot, sheet 1. Now we get all data from this. Username is this one. User message is this one. What bot replies? Bot replies is an AI agent inside. So output is this. And what is the time? Let's search for it. Time, there's no time. Let's put here now. Change it to express. Curly bracket, dollar, now. Now everything is working properly correct. Now make it public. Now let's conversation with you. Hi, who is Vishal Sire? Okay, so it replied this. Let's check this data is appear on Google Sheet. Google Sheet. As you can see, the user, my reply or my message, then bot reply, then timing. That is a complete Telegram bot. You just build a complete Telegram bot from scratch, no coding, just N8n. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. See you in next video.